Well, I've attempted to walk the Greenway, the Kenilworth Greenway today, and lots of the path has been altered, so you're walking on wood chips with beautiful metal fences either side, and there, sad to say, are people having a wonderful time chopping down mature oak trees. They are having a ball. They seem to be enjoying it. They're chatting and laughing, and well, what do you think? Well, I'm back on it now, coming along here. You've seen this many times. There's been flowers and all sorts. There's not a lot happening through here now, but I did just want a little moan about people chopping down mature trees along the beautiful Greenway. And the new one, I don't think I'll be walking that again very soon. They've put in all these alternative footpaths, but to be quite honest, they're really not up to scratch. But such is life, as they say. But I'm out in the air, and that's the positive side of it. After our lockdown for being naughty people and going to the continent, and locked in quarantine for 2 weeks, we escaped on Saturday, and now I'm free to roam again. So this is the Rambling Rambler, just leaving the Kenilworth Greenway, or what was the Kenilworth Greenway, and heading further out into the countryside. So we haven't done ever so much filming through here, but you have seen it a good few times. It's a lovely walk in the shade after all that bright sunshine on the path which they've created with the wood chips and metal fencing. But I have to be honest, I shan't be doing that any time again soon. It's not a walk that I will enjoy. Instead of looking at nature and listening to the birds, you can count the number of brand new metal fences, thousands of them, that are supposedly now making up a footpath. Anyway, nevertheless, I say thank you for subscribing. This is the Rambling Rambler, Dave to his friends, in Burton Green, Coventry, United Kingdom. Bye for now, and thank you for watching. Special thank you to those who are going to subscribe or already have. Bye for now.